Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix level fun is not appearing. So as you can see, if you're playing for example on Xbox app, there is no fun and go to the right. So it's a little bit different, so I will show you how you can find it. It will be no balloons or whatsoever. So let me show you how you can find this level. So you need to go until you will see the dark place here. And then you can pick the torch. So yeah, as you can see, here is the torch. Pick the torch and then just go. And then you will hear the sound of the monster. So then you just need to run. As you can see here, it was the sound. So we need to run, and then I will show you where you need to go to the right. So you need to run quite far away. And then here. And you'll end up on the fun level. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like.